My friends, this is Edward Haith. Most of you know me from my other website, workwithedward.net. I'm the guy that actually travels around the world, visiting different cities and uploading content promoting my online business. Today, I'm not here to do that. You are on my website for three reasons. You are either a brand new marketer, just joined an online business and not really sure on how to market it, or you're a seasoned marketer and you're not really happy with the results that you've been getting and you've been spending a lot of money and you don't really know how to brand yourself. I mean, let's face it, people need to like, know, and trust you before they buy from you. They need to see you. You have to put yourself out there. Or three, you could be looking for an online business, but you're looking for something that provides you with the marketing tools and training all in one so you don't have to look anywhere. What you need to do today, if you fit in any of those three categories, what you need to do is enter your information, and two things will follow. A, you will actually receive an email from me in your inbox, and the second thing that'll happen is you will see a live demonstration on how this amazing marketing system has changed the results and increased lead flow to tens of thousands of marketers. So you work too hard, don't be left behind, be a leader in the industry that you're in. This particular solution is designed for any website promotion, regardless of industry. Take care. This is Edward Haith. Enter your information. I'll work one-on-one with you, and I'll see you on the other side.